Hello friends, myself Samarth BM, and in my previous video I had showed how to perform CRUD and filter operations on HBase table. So now I'll be showing how you can export your table from HBase to Hadoop, and later how you can store that table in your local file system, and also how to import a table from Hadoop to HBase. And in my recent video I had also showed how you can store a data from your Hadoop to HBase table. So for that you have to create a table with column family. Then later in the command using import tsp command, you have to mention your column name and then import the data to the table. So now I will list my tables in my HBase shell. So now I will be exporting this mall customers table to my Hadoop. So I will open another terminal. So command for that is so I'm going to export a table. So next you have to mention your table name. My table name is mall customers. Then you have to mention the location where you want to send your table. So I'll be sending it to the HBase, and inside HBase another directory will be created with the name mall customers exported. So now I will execute this. So you can go to your localhost 9870, refresh the page and check. So my location was inside the HBase directory. You can see mall customers exported, and yeah, my table has been exported here. So later you can store this into your local system using the get command or copy to local command. So now I'll clear my screen. Hadoop fs. So I'm going to use get command. So my location is HBase. Inside that mall customers exported. Okay. Mall customers exported. So next I have to give a location where I want to store in my local system. So I will be storing it in documents. So you can go to your documents. So my mall customers has been exported from HDFS to local file system. So now I'll be showing how you can export a table from here mall customers exported to your HBase table. So for that you have to open your shell, create a new table for that. So I'll be creating a new table as mall customers exported with column family, because my table which I had exported to the HDFS as only one column family as CF. So you can see the table has been created. Now we have to open another terminal and write the import command. So this is the command import. So this is the table name which I just created in my shell, mall customers exported. Then this is the location from where I am fetching my table from HDFS. So if you run this, okay, it's successfully done. Now you can go to your HBase shell and scan your mall customers exported table. Yeah, 200 rows have been retrieved. So this is how you can use the export import command to send your table from HBase to HDFS and vice versa. Thank you.